Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your router with Comcast easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reset your Comcast router, start by locating your router. Find the power button on the back or side of the device. Press and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. This will turn off the router. While the router is off, unplug it from the power source. Wait for at least 30 seconds to ensure it. Now, plug the power cord back into the router. Press the power button again to turn the router back on. Wait for the router to fully restart, which may take a couple of minutes. Once the lights on the front are stable, your router is ready. If you still face connectivity issues, locate the reset button on the back of the router. This button is usually a small hole that requires a pin or paper clip to press. Using the pin, gently press and hold the reset button for about 10 seconds. Release the button and wait for the router to reboot. This will restore the router to its factory settings. After the router resets, you will need to set up your network again. Connect your device to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Open a web browser and enter the default IP address for the router, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1. Follow the prompts to create a new network name and password. Save the settings and restart your router again if needed. Your Comcast router is now reset and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.